Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So for this month's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a look that I wear, I would say 90% of the time when I shoot videos or take pictures. And a lot of you guys have requested me to recreate this look, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Also, this look is great if you're going to be attending some sort of event where you're going to be taking a lot of pictures or videos, because the products that I use work really well, like on camera, they picture really well as well. So let's just get started with today's video. The first thing that I always do before I get started with actually applying the makeup is take care of my teeth. So that could either be just simply brushing my teeth, or twice a week I like to use this Beauty Co's teeth whitening powder. It's called the Teeth Whitening Coconut Shell Activated Charcoal Powder. All you have to do is grab your regular toothbrush and dip that into the powder and just simply start brushing like how you would regularly. I always make it a point to brush my teeth or use this specifically before I start filming. Now the reason why I really enjoying this product specifically is because first of all, it's made up of like natural ingredients, so coconut shell and activated charcoal, and secondly, it's really cost efficient, so you don't have to go to the dentist to get your teeth whitened. It's just a really easy, convenient and an at-home solution. A few of you guys do compliment me in the comments down below about my teeth, and I guess this is the secret behind them. So I just rinsed my mouth, and I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but definitely to me, I can see it in real life, they do look half a shade lighter. But the best part about it is that it makes my mouth feel extremely clean, and it gets rid of the plaques. So it just gives me like a mental satisfaction that it's gonna look good in camera as well. But anyway, let's just start with the face now. For the face, the base that I'm going to be using is an oil. I'm going to be using Beauty Co's Rose Gold Oil. Now you guys know I have oily skin, and this oil still works for me, which is very surprising to me as well. It doesn't break me out at all, and I guess that's probably because of the ingredients. It has like really good ingredients like rosehip seed oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, and all of those good things. And also it has like 24 karat gold dust, which is great. I guess that helps you a lot with luminosity. I love the packaging of this product. It's very compact and I think easy to travel with as well. And in my opinion, this is what makes my entire makeup look so good, because if your base isn't good, it doesn't matter what makeup you apply on top. And now I look like a grease ball, but I do that on purpose. I like to apply a lot of oil because I feel like the foundation goes on really well. Talking about foundation, the foundation that I use is by NYX. It's called the Total Control Drop Foundation, and I'm in the shade Caramel. Now this shade is definitely light on me, I know that, but I'm just trying to finish this product, and after which I will pick up my right shade, hopefully at least. Now the reason why I love this foundation is because it's full coverage, and that is exactly what I want when I'm filming videos or taking pictures. And also I do realize that I use a lot of it, but again, that's on purpose. In order to blend the foundation, I'm going to be using this big brush from the Excellent collection, and almost all of our brushes have sold out. So our essentials have sold out, the Flamazing collection has sold out. The only two collections that we have right now are the Excellent collection, which are on sale by the way. So do check out the link in the description if you guys want to buy some brushes, because we're not going to be restocking on brushes anymore. While doing a full glam, I like to use this brush specifically is because it's so dense, it helps me achieve like a full coverage look. And of course, that's what I'm looking for. When you're blending your foundation, always make sure to blend it into your hairline and into your ears as well, because you want everything to look like the same color, and of course your neck as well. In order to set the foundation, I like to use some loose talcum powder, and I like to use the smaller brush from the Excellent collection. I feel like it's like a perfect size, and it really helps you get like under your eyes and all of those like smaller precise areas. So I like to pack a lot of it under my eyes, on the sides of my nose, on like my cupid's bow, my chin, and also on my forehead. Now I'm not going to leave this on for too long. As soon as I'm done applying it on my face, I'm going to immediately dust it off. Now to add the definition back into my face, I'm going to be using the NYX's Highlight and Contour palette, and I'm just going to casually start bronzing my entire face because the foundation is quite light. So I want to balance that out. I don't want my face to look very white. Now since we're at it, I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush and pick up the same brown that we used all over our face, and I'm gonna use that to kind of bronze up the lid or warm up the lid. In order to really carve out my cheekbones, I'm gonna take the same talcum powder and the small brush, and just draw like a line right under my cheekbone and just brush that off immediately using the bigger Excellent brush. Now this is something that I wouldn't do like on an everyday basis if I'm gonna be wearing makeup outside, but I always make it a point to do it, especially when I'm gonna be shooting videos or filming, because it really adds like definition and sculpts out your face. Now time for some blush. I'm going to be using Nykaa's Get Cheeky Blush Duo, and it's in the shade Brazilian Bombshell 01. I'm going to use the big foundation brush that we used, kind of add color back into my cheeks. I know I look really crazy right now, but bear with me. In the end, it's gonna look good. And in order to speed up that process, I'm gonna be using PAC's Fixing Spray. I'm gonna be using a lot of it all over my face and really drench my skin in this fixing spray. The last product when it comes to base is highlighter. So I like to use the Makeup Revolution Soft X palette. And I like to mix all the 4 colors in the first row and just really highlight my entire face. And now I'm done with the base. We're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows. I like to use Miss Claire's eyebrow cake. I definitely do fill in my eyebrows a little bit heavier than normal, but I again use the same process where I would use the light brown product first to fill in my brows, and then I would use the dark brown black shade on the tail of my brow. So now that I'm done with my brows, I'm gonna move on to doing a wing liner. Onto the eyeliner. The liner that I use is the Lakme's Insta liner, and I'm gonna make super like exaggerated wings. I wouldn't even make half as big as wings that I'm gonna make right now on like an everyday basis, but I do like to make super exaggerated wings because the lashes do cover the wings up, so they will look a little bit crazy right now, but it's gonna look good, I promise. Once I'm done with the eyeliner, I move on to the lashes. The lashes that I use, can you even guess, are the PAC M71 lashes. Now in order to really help the actual lashes and the false lashes blend together and look one, I'm going to be using some mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using is by Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. I have been in love with this mascara recently, and I love this especially for the lower lash line more than the top. Now as always, I had to get some mascara on my nose. I almost every single day consistently get mascara on my nose, probably not as big as this one, but of course it had to happen, especially when I had to film. But don't worry about it. If you too get mascara on your nose or anywhere around your face, I guess, just let it dry for a minute and it comes off like in one swipe once it completely dries. Now while I wait for the mascara to dry, I'm gonna highlight my eyes. So I'm gonna use the same Soft X palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna be using this teeny tiny brush which is a part of the Excellent collection, and use that to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and the brow bones. I'm gonna pick up the NYX contour palette for the 3rd time and take this like really thin long sort of a brush and just like slightly contour my nose. Now the final step has to be the lips. Now the lips really depend on what I'm wearing because the eyes are so neutral, I can really play up the lips. But I'm not gonna lie, you guys know 90% of the time it is a nude lipstick. For today, I'm gonna be wearing MAC's Taupe lipstick as the base lipstick. Now once I'm done applying the base lipstick, I always apply this gloss, especially on my nude lipsticks, and it is by L'Oreal's Infallible. It's their Pro Matte Gloss and it's in the shade Statement Nude. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful. As always, everything that I've used will be linked in the description box below, so go check it out. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!